Good morning children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we will start chapter 2, numbers up to 1000. In this, first question is match the column. Here few numbers are given and according to its place value you have to match the numbers. Let's see. First number is given in your book is 230. Second number is 156. Third number is 445. Fourth number is 104. First step is you have to recognize the number and you will see the place value of each digit in the given number. As we know that the digit which is here left hand side, it will be ones. And then the next number will be in tens. And then the digit after tens will be in hundreds position. Hundreds position. You can see in 230, 0 is in ones position, 3 is in tens position and 2 is in hundreds position. In the same way, you will write the place value of each digit. O represents ones, T represents tens and H represents hundreds. If you will write like this, it will be easy for you. Here 6 is in ones position, 5 is in tens position, 1 is in hundreds position and the number is 156. Coming to the third question, now you can easily find out here 445. 2 times 4 is repeated but its places are different, isn't it? One is in hundreds position and the other one is in tens position. According to position, we have to write the place value first. 5 is in ones position. This 4 is in tens position. And this 4 is in hundreds position. Okay? Its place is like that. Now come to the last question. 104. What will be then the place value of 4 here? Yes, you are right. It will be ones. And this 0 will be in tens. And 1 will be in hundred position. Its place value will be like this. Okay. Now let me write the second column. 100. 5 tens, 6 ones. Here you can see 100, 5 tens, 6 ones is written. Let me find out where is this number 156. Yes, I got it in the second one. So I will match B with the answer. that is 100. As we know, 1 is having place value of 100, and then 5 tens and 6 ones. Now let me write the next question. 400, 4 tens, 5 ones. Now can you find out the number 445? Yes, it is in C here. And let me check the place value. 400, 4 tens and 5 ones. So I will join C from the given answer. Okay. Now let me write the another one. 100, 0 tens, 4 ones. Here the place value of 1 is 100, 0 is tens and 4. The place value of 4 is ones. So we will match 104 from the answer. It's very easy. Yeah, just see the numbers and its place. You will join the correct answer from the column B. Let me write the another one. 200, 3 tens, 0 ones. Now can I find the number 230? Yes. First column here. So I will join the column A and column B with the right answer. Hope you understood. First you have to recognize the number. Then you have to write the place value of each number, and then you can join the given column A and column B with the correct answers. It is very easy. Do it by yourself. Okay. Copy work of today's class is write number name of the given numbers. Write number names. First number is 515. So what is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E, 5. Then what is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Then you will write 15, 15. You get 15. What is the spelling of 15? F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Now come to the next number. 642. How you will read? 642. So what is the spelling of 6? S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. Then you will write 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. 42. In 42, learn the spelling because few students make the mistake. F-O-R-T-Y you will write. Okay. Some of you write F-O-U-R-T-Y. It's wrong. F-O-R-T-Y. You will not write. Okay. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Then 2. T-W-O, 2. Then let's write the third number. 728. How you will read? 728. Spelling of 7 is S-E and 7. What is the spelling of 100? HUNDRED 100. 28. TWENTY 20. Then 8. EIGHT 8. It's very easy. You have already. Fourth digit is 728. Fourth digit is 7. Fourth digit is 876. Fourth digit is 876. EIGHT 8. 100. HUNDRED 100. 76. SEVENTY 70. Then 6. SIX 6. Okay. Now I am rubbing it and writing 2 more numbers. Fifth number is 912. What is the spelling of 9? Yes, you know. N-I-N-E 9. Then 100. HUNDRED 100. And what is the spelling of 12? TWELVE 12. Okay. Now last one. 1000. Yes, it's new for you. So write down carefully. 1 O-N-E 1. THOUSAND 1000. It's very easy. You know the spelling of and. THOUS you have to add and then and 1000. It will be the spelling of 1000. THOUSAND 1000. All the other numbers you are familiar, but this is new for you. So learn it and write it in your copy neatly. Okay, bye.